You already have the most powerful garden hack sitting right next to your kitchen sink. It's not some fancy pesticide. It's not an expensive spray from the garden center. It's a simple blue bottle of Dawn dish soap. And today, I'm going to show you 6 weird ways to use it in your garden that actually work. Some of these are going to surprise you. Let's get into it. Whether you have a backyard vegetable garden, a few pots on a balcony, or a full flower bed, these tricks are cheap, fast, and you probably already have everything you need right now. No chemicals, no complicated mixtures, just dish soap, water, and a little know-how. Stick around to the end because trick number 5 is the one most people don't think about, and it might actually save your whole garden from a slug invasion this season. Alright, let's start with number 1. If you've ever walked out to your garden and found your plants covered in tiny little green or black bugs, that's aphids, and they are absolutely destroying your plants from the inside out. They suck the sap right out of the stems and leaves. Left alone, they can weaken and kill a plant fast. Here's all you need to do. Mix just 1 teaspoon of Dawn dish soap with 1 quart of water. That's it. Shake it gently, and you've got yourself a natural aphid spray. The soap works by breaking down the outer coating of the aphid's body. It basically suffocates them. It's not toxic to your plant, but it's lethal to the bugs. Spray it directly on the affected areas, especially the undersides of the leaves, because that's where aphids like to hide. Do this in the early morning or late afternoon. Avoid spraying in direct harsh sunlight because the soap solution can sometimes cause mild leaf burn if it dries too fast under intense heat. One important note, once this spray dries, it's safe for beneficial insects like ladybugs and bees. You're targeting the aphids while they're wet, so don't worry about harming the good guys. Repeat every 3 to 4 days until you see those aphids disappear. Cheap, simple, and it works incredibly well. Weeds are relentless, and if you've been pulling them by hand all season, I want to save you some time. When you mix Dawn dish soap with white vinegar, you get a weed-killing solution that works fast, especially on young weeds in direct sunlight. Use about 1 cup of white vinegar, a teaspoon of Dawn, and if you have it on hand, a tablespoon of table salt. The Dawn acts as a surfactant. That just means it helps the vinegar stick to the leaf surface instead of rolling off. That contact time is what kills the weed. Now, here's the important thing to understand. This is a non-selective spray. That means it will damage or kill whatever plant it lands on. So be precise. Use a small spray bottle, aim carefully, and avoid getting it on your flowers or vegetables. This works best on young weeds and annual weeds. Older, deeply rooted weeds like dandelions might need a few treatments. But for quick surface-level weed control, this is one of the fastest natural options you'll find. And you'll save money compared to store-bought herbicides every single time. Okay, let's talk about something most gardeners ignore until it's too late cleaning your tools. Dirty tools spread disease from plant to plant. Rust weakens the metal and makes cutting harder. And honestly, it just makes the whole job more unpleasant. All you need to do is fill a bucket with warm water, add a good squeeze of Dawn, and let your tools soak for 10 to 15 minutes. The soap cuts right through the grease and grime. After soaking, scrub with a stiff brush, paying attention to the joints on pruners and scissors where soil gets packed in. Rinse thoroughly, and then dry them completely before storing. That drying step is critical. If you leave moisture on the metal, rust comes back fast. Fungal infections on plants look scary, but they're actually one of the easier problems to tackle early. Powdery mildew, black spot, downy mildew, these are the common ones. And a simple Dawn and water solution can help stop them from spreading. Mix a few drops of Dawn in a cup of water, dampen a soft cloth not soaking wet. Just damp and gently wipe the affected leaves. You're removing the fungal spores from the surface and preventing them from spreading to healthy leaves. For larger infections, you can put the solution in a spray bottle and mist the affected areas. Again, spray in the early morning so the leaves have time to dry during the day. Wet leaves at night encourage more fungal growth, so timing matters. This isn't a cure-all for severe infections. If a plant is heavily infected, you may need to remove the worst affected leaves entirely. But for early-stage fungal problems, this trick can absolutely stop the spread and buy your plant time to recover. Now this is the one I told you to stick around for, and if you grow leafy greens like lettuce, spinach, or cabbage, you need to hear this. Slugs are mostly a night problem. You go to bed with a perfect head of lettuce. You wake up and it looks like something took a chainsaw to it. That's slugs. Here's the trick. Mix a generous amount of Dawn with water, a stronger ratio this time, a couple tablespoons per cup, and pour or spray it as a barrier ring around the base of your vulnerable plants. Slugs move by gliding on a layer of mucus under their body. The soapy surface disrupts that completely. They hit the barrier and turn around. It's like a force field. You can also apply it directly to slugs if you find them on your plants. Direct contact with concentrated soapy water will kill them. Reapply after rain, because water will wash away the soap barrier. And check around the edges of pots and raised beds. Slugs like to hide in those dark, moist spots during the day before coming out at night to feed. This one trick can completely change your leafy greens game this season. Last one, and this one is more about aesthetics, but there's actually a functional reason behind it too. Over time, plant leaves, especially indoor plants and large-leafed garden plants, collect a layer of dust, pollen, and grime. That layer actually blocks sunlight from reaching the leaf surface, which slows down photosynthesis. Just a few drops of Dawn in a bowl of water, a soft cloth, and a gentle wipe across each leaf top and bottom removes all of that buildup. The result is leaves that look incredible, deep, glossy, healthy green. And because they're clean, they can actually absorb more light and do their job better. Do this once a month for indoor plants. For outdoor plants, once or twice during the growing season is plenty. It takes 5 minutes. And the difference is honestly pretty dramatic. So there you have it, 6 weird but genuinely effective ways to use Dawn dish soap in your garden. 1 bottle, 6 problems solved. If you try any of these this week, drop a comment below and let me know which one surprised you the most. I read every single one. And if this video helped you out, give it a like. It genuinely helps other gardeners find this content. Subscribe if you want more simple, practical garden tips every week. No fluff, just stuff that actually works. See you in the next one.